Good morning, everybody. Well, I got the ski back from the dealership yesterday afternoon. It was just a little too windy to bring it out to the lake. So I'm out here the next morning and the ski is working great. What they figured out was that there was an issue with the ECM when it was originally configured. Somehow the ECM was configured for a ski without an IDF. They don't know if it was from the dealership or it came from the factory that way. So they were able to go in and fix it. The dealership I am talking about is Freedom Power Sports in Dallas. Z, who is the service manager, and Russell, the technician who worked on it, were fantastic. They did a great job. They had it done by 10 o'clock that next morning. I was not able to pick it up until that afternoon. But now the IDF works, the trolling mode works, and the maximum throttle setting works. The maximum throttle setting is extremely nice. You can get to a speed that you're comfortable with, hit this button right here, and at that point the ski will maintain that speed no matter how much more throttle you pull. So if you don't want to try to have the throttle and just work it back and forth to maintain that speed, you can set that, pull the throttle back all the way, and you will never exceed that speed. I do believe that once you let off and you come back to neutral, that is negated. So you have to reset it. But I'm going to find out here in a little bit. But right now I'm going to test out the IDF and see how that works. So the ski is running. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to hit IDF. It comes up, it says engaging. It says press start to go. Apply throttle. And it appears to be working. Turn it off. It resets. Ready to start. And it is that simple. I'm not sure if you can see all that on the screen. I should get a little closer. I'm gonna get a little closer this time. So now we're gonna test the IDF. The motor is running. Turn it off. Press the IDF button. It says engaging. Press start to go. Apply throttle. Turn it off. It'll show up here again. Engaging. And you're ready to start back into forward mode. It is that simple, and it walks you through the entire process. Well, that is about it for this version of Jeff Screwed the Pooch. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned a little bit. I have learned a whole lot. If you've enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please do me a favor, hit that like button. And if you would consider subscribing, that'd also be greatly appreciated. Next week, I'm headed down to the coast and I'm gonna do a whole bunch of filming down there. So I will have a whole bunch of videos coming out in about 2 or 3 weeks of coast fishing and what we've done and where I went, what I caught, which I hopefully will catch something. The coast is what I'm used to fishing on, and it's the gear that I have, and it's the knowledge that I have. So we're going to try that and see how that works out. But thank you again for watching. I do appreciate you stopping by and viewing this. And have a nice day, and please stay dry.